Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kiran Bendigeri from Grafosyss IAS. In this video, we are going to look at qualifying paper B, English. So first, let's have a look at instructions. All questions are to be attempted. The number of marks carried by a question is indicated against it. Answers must be written in English only. Word limit in questions wherever specified should be adhered to, and if answered in much longer or shorter than the prescribed length, marks will be deducted. Any page or portion of the page left blank in the question cum answer booklet must be clearly struck off. I hope you have understood it. Write an essay in about 600 words on any one of the following topics. So please read 600 words. This is for 100 marks on any one of the following topics. Any one. Impact of westernization on the Indian family, or literature mirrors society, or women in Indian politics, or rural urban divide in India. Based on your knowledge, select one of the topic and write an essay about it. Read carefully the passage given below and write your answers to the questions that follow in clear, correct and concise language. So this is the comprehension part. Here we have to read this whole passage, and some questions are asked here. It's around 2 pages of context. We have to answer. So how we have to read the paragraph, how we have to answer these questions, we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. So what was the nature of campaigns against Ghurids? According to the passage, the Indian rulers did not find it necessary to fortify the western pass. Why? So these are the questions which we have to answer based on the para given. Make a preface of the following passage in about 1/3 of its length. Do not give a title to it. The preface should be written in your own words. So the passage is given here. We have to reduce it to 1/3 of its length. So this question is based on how we are going to understand the whole thing and how we are going to use the words, how we are going to simplify this paragraph, this passage. So please read it once. Rewrite the following sentences after making necessary corrections. Do not make unnecessary changes in the original sentence. He died with fever. Ram acted with my proposal. So this is based on the grammar part. We are going to discuss about these things in upcoming grammar video once. Supply the missing words. The boy cannot cope dash the pressure in the school. Dash is what? Do not take law in or on, at, with. Which word is suitable? Please think about it and replace the blank. This is very simple grammar part. Use the correct forms of the verbs in brackets. Her path was dash with flowers. Stream. Whether it is present tense or future tense or past tense, we have to think about it and we have to change this word and we have to place it here. Write the antonyms of the following: sagacious, attenuate, bawdy, dormant, tunes. If we have read more in English, then we can able to identify these words. Otherwise, we have to read specifically these words. Rewrite the following sentences as directed without changing the meaning. Rabi said, I will eat rice for lunch today. It has to be changed in indirect speech. Rabi said that I will eat rice for lunch today. It may be right or not. You have to think about it. This is a simple grammar. Change into passive voice. Rewrite by using though. Rewrite by using no sooner. So how we are going to use these words in between these sentences? Though we were under the British rule, we had a rich cultural heritage. We have to change it into simple sentence. India can change only when education is reached to all. So how we are going to use the word unless? These are very simple grammar stuffs. I hope you all guys can answer it. Use the following words to make sentences that bring out their meaning clearly. Do not change the form of the words. Mandatory, a dilemma, petrified, obfuscate, diligent. Choose the appropriate word to fill in the blanks. The terrorist dash fear in the minds of the people. Is it install or instill? If you have read newspapers like Indian Express or The Hindu, you can easily write it. Both have somewhat different meanings. So it's also the easy part. Use the following idioms or phrases in sentences of your own to bring out their meaning clearly. Do not change the form of the words. Through thick and thin. We have to write these phrases in sentence. So that's all for paper B. If we have read English book up to NCERT 10th standard, then we can able to answer all these questions. We are going to discuss about these grammar stuffs in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you.